Last March, we sailed on the Carnival Horizon to the ABC Islands. For the first time, we upgraded to the Havana area in a Havana Cabana room on Deck 5.
We're Rich and Robin,
And these are our midlife adventures.
living in and out of our midlife van.
Okay, Rich, get our keys.
Robin, here we are. What cabin number?
5224.
24. Platinum.
Can you go open the curtain?
Look at here. We have our luggage here.
Because we brought our luggage on. Wristbands. Because we are in the Havana area. With the wristbands.
Robin, what is this thing called?
They call it a patio.
No,
I think.
it's a window. All the rooms we get doesn't have
We've
windows.
had windows. We've had obstructive views.
Very rare.
Rich.
Yeah.
We've never had an outside area since 2018 on a Carnival ship, Rich.
Crazy, Robin.
We have this chair, which I don't know if I'll be able to get in and out of. The lounger. Be nice if it was cushioned, but that's okay. And then you might need to rearrange some of the furniture. And you really can't swing in the swing chair because
It's
you hit the padded wall. And that is our room,
And then we can,
5224.
so then we can lock people out from our room.
So you can go to the Havana bar and pool out here through your balcony, but you cannot lock your door. You'd have to leave it unlocked. You can close it, but not lock it. So that means you also can't lock yourself out, Rich. Like you can the front door.
But at night, we got to make sure, and when we leave, we got to...
Yes.
Ooh, wonder how much I'm going to eat this trip.
Don't eat too much, Rich. You can't get the swing. It was a short walk from our outside patio to the pool area and bar. Rich, our Havana balcony room, I think they call it a patio room, and I think they need to clean those windows for us so we can see out. Then this is the bathroom here, standard bathroom. If we got a blue, brown floor instead of
tone.
blue. A little better color scheme than that sea blue they do. And we got the same stuff in there for shampoo and shower gel, shower wash. So we have 3 closets here, Rich. And one got our robes already. And one
What kind of robes?
They're Havana Room robes.
The Havana Experience.
And we have laundry, since we have free laundry for Platinum, which is nice. And then, of course, the safe is in this closet here with shelves. This would make them into a bed if you wanted to, but
It does give us extra seating room.
the couch and the little coffee table. This is a nice chair instead of a little ottoman like we always have in the interior rooms. And there is your mini cooler, Rich.
Is it cold?
Welcome to your mini bar.
Is it cold?
There's one shelf and nothing in it. How is it my mini bar? It's cold.
Is it cranked all the way up?
I don't know. And since we're in the Havana, we have our Havana wristbands, Rich.
Oh, nice and green.
Nice and green. We got an ice bucket, water. The Grand Suite comes with Havana Area. A regular suite does not. And then there's other Havana rooms around the ship that are not in the Havana Area. This balcony room is a Havana balcony patio room in the Havana Area.
But you can only go out to the Havana pool and stuff like that if you have the wristband?
Right. But you could have an aft balcony above us. And that's a Havana room, and it gets you a wristband down to this area. And we have our king bed here. And of course, got our TV, of course. And our twin bed could be, our king bed could be twin beds. And that is our room.
Not too bad.
But outside, the Havana area is for 12 and up.
Oh.
And this is the end of March. I heard it was spring break. I know our daughter had spring break like 2 weeks ago. Some people have spring break this week, next week. 3 weeks from now, our friend has spring break. So
all year long.
We upgraded to this because of the hearing it was spring break and a lot of kids going to be on the ship. So we wanted our own little private oasis.
And it was a cheap upgrade too. Huh?
It was a cheap upgrade for us. So the Havana rooms have their own Havana towels, Rich.
Ooh.
And so you don't have to get one at the pool, but you can also, or you can take one with you, but you just got to have two at the end. I think the reason it's called a patio is because there's a walkway in front of our patio and then a wall of glass. But only people in our Havana area can really walk in front of our patio. And we are almost to the end of this area, so there's only like four maybe rooms that could walk, unless people are walking from the pool over here, like that don't have a room over here, but why would you?
Yeah.
So we'll see how that goes.
Yeah, so I think the room's gonna be nice.
Yeah, what's nice is like when we have the obstructed view rooms, we have the little couch here, which is a little extra space to sit,
which is nice.
But I feel like, and we have one extra closet than we didn't have on the interior room on the Panorama. This ship is similar to the Panorama, but I feel like there's less storage. What was nice is we were on the port side, and we can just also take the hallway down to the bar. If you were on the starboard side, those rooms did not have that access there. Where does this door go, Rich?
Oh, to the Havana part.
Yeah, you want to go check out the Havana? Since we have the Havana room this time, we have access to the Havana area. I didn't get my sunglasses, but it doesn't look like I need them out here. The Carnival Horizon, the Havana area, has 2 hot tubs and a pool, as well as a bar and other seating.
That's the pool?
Yeah, it's the pool. Here's the hot tub. Hot tub's closed.
5224.
It was a nice room.
Oh yeah, I mean more than we normally have.
We enjoyed spending time out on our patio on sea days, but unfortunately, whenever the sliding door was closed, it made quite a bit of noise, which kept us up most of the night and was a little annoying during the day. Check out our other video where we explain why this was the worst cruise cabin we've ever had.
That night,
As soon as we left port
in
Miami,
the slider was just popping and creaking.
And at one point, in the middle of the night, it sounded like gunfire.